Hello friends, welcome to Durgasoft. Sir, in this video, I want to share one of most beautiful Java question to test your knowledge, Java knowledge, right? Sir, what that? If you are very strong in Java, if you are very confident in your internal Java things, then only you can answer this question. Here, have a look once. So the most beautiful question I want to show for you people, right? Sir, observe, consider the following code. Sir, I have just this is my class test. Class test public static void main. There are two final variables are there. Final int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Next, do system.out.println of hello. Next, while a less than b, system.out.println of hi. Okay, like this is my Java code what we have. Now, which of the following modifications are required independently to compile test class like remove final keyword at line 1. So from here we require to remove final keyword. Next, use a break statement at line 2. Next, third, remove line 3. Remove line 3 like so this code I have to compile successfully, which changes are required to perform independently. So if I perform so and so change, then happily the code is going to compile. Can you please tell among these which changes are required to perform independently to compile this Java program? Remember this one, sir. So first doubt here is, so what the problem with this code? Just can you please spend one or just pause this video, just spend 1 minute and you have to identify correct answer, sir. So once you are with your answer, then continue this video. Okay, be ready. Now have a look once, sir. Here just what is the problem? What is the problem with this code? Here just the bigger problem, if I can ask compiler, can you please compile this code? Sorry, compiler is going to tell Durga I can't compile. Array, what is the problem? What is the problem like? Sir, very simple. The first problem here is, do you know here A and B are final variables. Final variables means constants. Remember, the values are never going to be changed. So if any variable is the final, okay, all final variables will be replaced by the value at the compile time only. Remember this one. Now this A lesser than B, this condition will be replaced by 10 lesser than 20 at the compile time only. Remember the first important conclusion. All final variables will be replaced by the value at the compile time only, because the values are never going to be changed at runtime. That's why you have to wait until runtime. At compile time only, every final variable will be replaced by the value. So at compile time, A less than B means, do you know, 10 less than 20. Sir, if both arguments are constants, so why you have to wait until runtime? Compiler itself is the responsible to perform the comparison, right? So now this value is the true, like this it's going to take, sir. So compiler will place a true here in this condition. Now my question is, do sir, can you please execute hello? While true, the condition is always true. The condition is always true. That's why, so this do while keep on executing. So this statement, this infinite loop, this do while will become infinite loop. This print statement is keep on executing. Now my compiler having the bigger doubt. Array, if this SOP of hello is going to execute infinite times, when this line will get the chance. This line never going to get in the chance. Such type of statements are called unreachable statements. So immediately compiler is going to object about this line. Boss, this is unreachable statement. It never going to get in the chance why you are writing this code. Like immediately compiler is going to give left and right. Remember, so by default, if I execute this program as it is, where the problem is? The problem is with this line 3. Immediately compile time error we are going to get saying it is unreachable statement. Have a look once. Let me compile this code. Here just observe that Java C test.java. I'm trying to compile. Are you seeing right? So system.out.println unreachable statement. Unreachable statement, SOP of high. Okay, like you are going to get unreachable statement, right? Now, so how you can solve, how you can make this code compile? Option 1, okay, remove this unreachable statement. If you remove this unreachable statement, happily the code is going to compile. Compiler never going to object any line here. It will compile. Next at runtime, hello, 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 like happily it's going to print. Now have a look once. If I execute this one, happily the code compiles fine. If you remove that unreachable statement, okay, like now let me execute this one. Hello, 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 like keep on executing, like control C to stop. I hope you people are in the position to understand that. So one solution is, so remove line 3. This is one solution to make this code compile. I hope everyone in the position to understand what is the meaning of unreachable statement. That statement never going to get in the chance. In our program, if the compiler identified any unreachable statement, immediately, sir, we will get compiled error. The code won't compile. Okay, such type of unreachable statements we have to delete. Then happily the code compiles fine. So one answer, one option is remove line 3. Okay, so one answer is remove line 3. Line 3 means this is one option, right? Now the second, another option is also there. What is that option is? So compiler aware, it is always true. Compiler aware, it's always true. That's why compiler so knows that this loop is going to execute infinite number of times. This line never going to get in the chance. Suppose assume that it is not final. Assume it is not final. If it is the normal variable, sir, A value 10, B value is the 20, normal variable. So if it is the normal variable, if these are not final, compiler never going to do comparison, right? Remember, compiler will always take care about final variable but not normal variable. That's why compiler don't know whether this one is the true or false. Sir, if it is the true, it will execute. If it is the false, it will execute this loop again. If it is the false, then it is going to execute. So compiler point of view, yeah, the compiler doesn't give where it is always true. It's always true. So compiler can't identify that this is the unreachable statement. Okay, the code will compile. Yet the runtime, observe, yet the runtime, JVM is not responsible to check unreachable statement. JVM job is always execute the code. That's all. So compiler is the responsible to check unreachability, but JVM is not responsible. Now at runtime, happily the code compiles fine. At runtime, first hello will be printed, and then it will execute. Yes, it is the true. That's why again hello will be printed, and then it will execute again. It is the true. Again hello. So hello like infinite times by default we are going to get. This is the outputs are hello like infinite times it's always going to print. Now let me cross check. Here you never going to get any compile time error. Here you never going to get any compile time error. Have you observed, right? Happily the code compiles fine because I remove final keyword. So now have a look once. Hello like keep on executing. Just let me stop. Control C. Okay, like now. So this is the second solution, right? If you remove final, it will become normal variable. Compiler don't know it is the true or false. Compiler don't know, can't decide it is the unreachable statement. So the second solution is remove final keyword at the line 1. It is also, so you can perform either A option is also correct option only. Next, another thing is there. So why compiler raising the problem? Because this statement never going to get in the chance. What I want to take is array at line 2. Let me take break statement. If I can take break statement, now the loop is going to break. Compiler aware, oh boss, this is not infinite loop. If it is not infinite loop, once a break, immediately this statement will become execute. It will execute, sir. So this statement is not unreachable statement. So if I place a break at line number 2, now the problem by default will be solved, because it is not infinite loop. Now there is a chance to execute this statement also. So let me use the break statement. What the answer is, sir? Here, hello, SOP of hello. Now because of break statement, the control is coming out. Because of break statement, the control is coming out. Now hi will be printed. So what is the output by default we are going to get here is just a very simple, sir. Hello followed by hi. Let me execute this one. Please observe carefully. Let me execute this. Here the code compiles fine because I placed already break statement. Okay, if I execute this one, hello followed by hi, exactly the answer. So take very special care. Beautiful bits are for certification, for job based written test, maybe a chance to ask this type of questions. So which changes, which modifications required independently to compile this test class. So use a break statement at line 2. Okay, like A, B, C. Any of these changes if you perform, happily the code is going to compile. Are you in the position to understand, right? So you should aware what is the meaning of unreachability. Next, if any variable is the final, every final variable will be replaced by the value by compiler only. If everything is compile time constant, that operation will be performed at the compile time only. Remember that. That's all. So clear, right? Do you have any doubt? Okay, thank you, sir.